Hi guys, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram, you would know that I'm back home for a few days. It was my mom's 50th birthday, so it was a little family time. All of my cousins and my nieces, we all got together to celebrate her birthday. If you're not following me on Instagram already, I'm going to drop my handle in the description box and also on the screen. So make sure you follow me there because I keep posting a lot of fun reels, fun stories that give you a sneak peek into my life, and of course my daily OOTDs and fashion related stuff. So make sure you follow me there. And for this video, because my cousins were here and I've been planning to do a mystery box challenge for a very long time, I thought my 16-year-old niece would be the perfect person to sort of curate a mystery box for me. So I gave her a budget of 8,000 rupees to shop from Zivame. By the way, Zivame has a grand lingerie festival going on right now. It's the GLF festival and they have up to 70% off, and I feel like this is one of the biggest lingerie festival online sales that happen, and you must make the best use of it. They have free shipping, they have an easy 15-day return and exchange policy, plus you also get cash on delivery, and they have so much variety and categories to shop from. I'm sure you're gonna love that. So I'm gonna drop all the links in the description box, of course, and you also get my coupon code which gives you an extra 10% off, and it's called ishita.khanna. That's gonna pop up on the screen, so make note of that, take a screenshot. And I'm gonna get started with the mystery box, and I'm super excited to see what she's curated because I gave her quite a good budget. So I'm super excited, and the box is right here. I haven't opened it up, so I'm gonna open it up in front of you guys. I have no idea what she's gotten for me because I think she's like Gen Z now, and I'm like 10 or 12, like a decade older than her for sure. So let's see what she's gotten for me. I am super excited. I've said that like 100 times, but let's see what she's got for me.
She's asked me to make a mystery box for her, and the budget she's given me is 8,000. So I'm gonna go on Zivame's website and try to add as many things I can because there are a lot of discounts going on, which is great for me. I know that she likes to work out and sleep a lot, so I'm definitely gonna add some activewear and night suits. I can also see a lot of cute stuff here, so I'm just gonna add all of that to the cart as well. Right now I have almost 11 to 12 things already selected, so I'm very excited for her to see them and I hope she likes them.
So this is quite a heavy box, and I think she's got about 12 things is what this says. Yeah, there are 12 items in this box. I'm going to start off with the first one, and this is a night suit, and I absolutely love Zivame night suits. So I'm going to quickly open this up. I have already shopped quite a lot of night suits from there, but I don't have something like this, and I love the color, I love the material, I love how like minimal and basic it is. It's pretty soft actually, and the color is also really nice. It's got some lace work, so I feel like my niece doesn't have a very bad choice. It's a full pajama set. I gave her all my sizes already, so she knew like what sizes to pick out, and this one is in the size medium. I'm obviously going to try all of these and keep showing you guys alongside as well. Okay, so the next thing that is in the box is this is also another night suit set, but this is slightly different. It's more of a floral printed night suit set. I don't know if it's full sleeves, half sleeves. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is like a loungewear. I've seen this in a couple of places, and I've been wanting to pick one up for myself, but here it is in this mystery box right here. So this is not like a kurta exactly, but you guys must have seen a lot of loungewear sets. It's exactly like that. Again, very soft material. If you like floral prints, this would be perfect for you. It's a very bright color, pastely blue, which looks very pretty and comfortable. You can lounge around in this set. I think it feels very comfortable to wear, and it's a perfect size for me, and this size again is in a medium. I like to wear my loungewear or night suits in a medium, so I'm glad that she kept that in mind and got my right sizes. So moving on, there's something pretty like interesting. I've not really picked up accessories from Zivame, and this is something from their Zivame accessories section. So I'm just gonna quickly open it because I'm not sure what it really is. This says it is a travel bag set, which I think is very useful because I've been traveling quite a bit, and I also have a Dubai trip planned next week. Okay, so it's a set of 3 bags which can be sort of closed like that. So you can use it for keeping your lingerie, clothes, toiletries. They have 3 different sizes. This was the largest one, and they have this, and they also have a smaller one. But I think this is extremely useful, and because they have a lot of sales going on right now, I think this would be the best time to pick up something like this for yourself. You're gonna get it at a really affordable price. The material is a little plasticky, so if you're keeping toiletries in this, it's not going to leak out, which tends to happen quite a lot when you put products in your travel bag. But this is sort of leak proof, which is great, and it's got a really cute color, it's got a really cute print. I think my niece has done a pretty good job with this mystery box. Next thing in the box is a pair of socks, which are extremely cute. It's got, let me open this up, it's got like a popsicle print on it. These are ankle length socks, and they look really cute. They have a really nice print on it. I think they're pretty comfortable and perfect for sneakers because they are low top ankle length socks. These are perfect for wearing with sneakers and of course in regular wear as well. I think there's another pair that I can see right here, which is, I think it's got oranges on it. Yeah, so I think there are 2 of these. Oh, there's another pair of socks, which is a bright yellow with brinjal on it. Let me open this one. I think she got a set of 3 quirky printed socks, and I think they are really fun and cute. If you want to gift it to someone, this would be a great option. I really like the yellow ones for sure. These could be unisex, so if you plan to gift it to like your friends, your brothers, your boyfriends, this would be a great option. I know there are people who really like quirky socks, so this is definitely a great like gifting option for them. Just letting you guys know, once again, my coupon code is ishita.Zivame, so in case you want to use that for any of these things, all the links will be in the description box. I think that's going to be helpful for you guys. Moving on, the next thing in the box, I think this is a sports bra, and I think she did remember me telling her that I really like Zivame sports bras, and she picked up a pretty good color. It's got navy blue and a combination of white. Looks really smart. And the padding, there's padding. It's also got an elastic band niche, and the back has a hook enclosure. I do already have a couple of sports bras from Zivame, which I really liked. I would highly recommend this for anyone who's looking for sports bras. Zivame is a great option to pick up some affordable, good quality sports bras for yourself. I can see some more in here. Let me take that out as well. This one is a peach color. I think this is also a sports bra. Let me open this. It's a very pretty color. Again, if you wear a lot of tank tops, this sports bra would look really nice with it. This would look really nice with a black tank top actually. This one also has padding, and the band over here is also very soft. It's not going to dig into your skin. Okay, moving on, the next thing that I see here is this little pouch, and this is actually a lingerie washing bag, which I don't have, and I've been actually planning to pick one up for myself. These are very convenient. So if you use a washing machine at home, all you have to do is put in your underwear or any lingerie, intimate wear inside this pouch, and this is how it opens up. You put everything in so that the shape of your lingerie does not get spoiled in the washing machine, because obviously the machine spins, and either you hand wash it, but you don't always have the time to hand wash it, and these bags come in super handy. And I'm so glad that I finally have one. Since I moved out of Riva and moved into Bombay, I definitely needed this for my house. Moving on, I see another thing right here, and this is a loungewear bottom. Let's open this up quickly. This feels really soft. It's very buttery soft for sure. You can pair it with any sort of a top if you're just lounging at home. I think I can also step out in this if I'm going to just like get some groceries or run some errands. It's also got a tie detailing. It's grain color, neutral color, everything's going to go with this. Even if you're just chilling at home, if you're working from home, you can always wear this and stay comfortable. We've got a few more things left, and I think this one is another sports bra, but this is printed. I like the fact that she's picked up like different varieties of it, because I know that Zivame has a lot of varieties to pick from, so she picked up different colors, and this one is a printed sports bra. I'm going to open this up. Definitely a very bright, nice color. And I really like the print too. This also has padding. I feel like padding is very important in your sports bra. And this is how it looks from the back. It's got like a little net fabric at the back. Slightly low impact, so I'm not going to do a lot of jumping exercises in this. However, for yoga, or hiking or biking, this would be a great sports bra. I love the print, so if you like printed stuff, this would be a great pick for you. Now the last thing in this box right here is another bra, but this is not a sports bra. This is, let me open this up. I think this is a slightly different material as well, as I can see from the packet. Okay, it's again a very soft material. I think this is a Marshmallow bra because I remember picking up a blue one for myself a while back, and this is a great grey color actually. I really wanted to pick up another Marshmallow one because these are very soft to wear. You might have seen a previous Zivame haul of mine. If not, I'm going to link it down below so you know which blue colored Marshmallow bra I'm talking about. Extremely buttery soft, very comfortable to wear all day long, and this is also very seamless, so you can wear it under t-shirts, shirts, dresses, anything, and this would not show through. I really like how it feels. I know already how it feels because I have a similar style of bra in a different color. So I would highly recommend this to you if you're looking for something that's comfortable to wear all day long. This one would be it. So that was the mystery box challenge, and I think Divya did a pretty good job. I loved everything that was in the mystery box. It was to my taste. I liked everything. Everything was useful. I'm pretty happy she made pretty good use of the budget that I gave her. Just letting you guys know once again that Zivame has their grand lingerie festival going on. It is one of the biggest intimate sales that happen online. Up to 70% off, free shipping, cash on delivery, and you can also do easy exchange and return within 15 days. Plus, you have my coupon code ishita.khanna that gives you an extra 10% off. So best time to shop, and I think you definitely should make the best use of it. I'm going to link everything down below what my niece picked out for me. I absolutely loved all of it, like I already said. You guys let me know in the comments down below how you enjoyed watching this mystery box challenge, and if I should do another one, and if I should, who should be the person creating the mystery box for me, and you guys decide the budget. Let me know everything in the comments down below. I'm of course going to respond to you guys, and that is it for today. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.